The heart of India, Delhi, holds the legacy of the generations in art, literature, and architecture, coexisting with the visionary industries aspiring for a prosperous future. Come experience the colorful diversity of India with the pride of nation, Red Fort, India Gate, Qutub Minar, the spiritual ambience of Akshardham Temple. Delhi is definitely a foodie's paradise. Over the last few years, the Indian foundry market has grown at a rate of 5 to 7%, but it is expected to increase multifold over the next few years. Since manufacturing has begun to pick up steadily after COVID and several international dynamics have opened in favor of Indian casting industry. According to the Make in India campaign, India will have the fastest growing economy in the next 10 years, which will require the foundry industry to grow. The Indian Foundry Congress is showcasing the unique blend of castings history, present and its future. This time, the theme is something extraordinary that you haven't seen in a while. We provide you here the opportunity to become a part of this spectacular event and garner knowledge for the coming future. It will be too beneficial for all the business verticals and growing talent. The convention is focused on fulfilling the objective of Make in India by fostering innovation. The northern region, along with the Delhi and Jaipur chapters of the Institute of Indian Foundrymen, is privileged to invite you to the 71st Indian Foundry Congress IFEX 2023 to be held at Greater Noida from 8th to 10th February 2023.
Dear fellow Foundrymen, Namaste. Welcome to the 71st Indian Foundry Congress and International Foundry Exhibition IFEX 2023. Welcome to the North. India produces more than 12 million tons of castings per year, second largest in the world, and exports castings worth more than $3 billion every year. India can increase its trade footprints in the midst of the ongoing international trade conflicts. Apart from trade, diversion in investment flows is an opportunity that India could benefit from, as manufacturers seek alternative destinations. We need to tap on these opportunities, which are equally available for the Indian foundry industry. The Institute of Indian Foundrymen is committed to provide the industry the exposure to learn and adopt latest technologies and explore new business opportunities through forums like IFC and IFEX. I call upon each one of you to be a part of this transformation and witness the new horizon, take the Indian foundry industry to the new heights. Friends, I welcome you to this Mahakumbh of our foundry religion, and I look forward to welcoming each one of you to Greater Noida. Thank you.
India Expo Centre is venue of choice for various ministries of the Government of India, statutory corporations, companies, and renowned global agencies. The Indian government's focus on indigenous manufacturing of defense and aerospace industry is an opportunity, a hopeful eye to the future. The location is in close proximity to international airport and railway station. The state-of-the-art multifunctional venue has a rare combination of technologies merged with first-class facilities and safety standard. It is well connected to Delhi's main ring road via an 8-lane highway. Come and enjoy the hospitality with the best cuisine with love and affection at this mega event.
Dear friends, Namaste. On behalf of Northern Region and the organizing committee of the 71st Indian Foundry Congress, with immense pleasure, I welcome you to the 71st Indian Foundry Congress and IFEX 2023 at India Expo Centre, Greater Noida, which is amongst the top 4 India's largest integrated exhibitions and convention venues. Spread across 58 acres of land and offers technology-driven, world-class facilities and safety standards suitable for hosting international business-to-business exhibitions and conferences. The 71st IFC and IFEX 2023 promises to be more energetic than ever. Through various planned events during IFC like technical sessions, cast source meet, B2B meet, works visit, and post-congress tours to various scintillating tourist destinations of North. We aspire to make your visit to 71st IFC at Greater Noida a memorable one. Friends, it will be a thrilling 3 days of Congress and exhibition at Greater Noida. After a busy day, it will be a thorough entertainment in the evenings with fun-filled shows and best of cuisine and drinks waiting for you to perfectly conclude your day with great opportunities for networking with a commitment to start a fresh next day for business opportunities waiting for you. Don't miss coming along with your friends, families, and business associates. Welcome to 71st IFC. Welcome to Greater Noida.
Once again, the Indian Foundry Congress will arrange the 71st Annual Exhibition IFEX 2023. The Indian Institute of Foundrymen, set by the Indian Foundry Congress, is the most significant event of the Indian foundry industry. Around 1,500 delegates, 10,000 visitors and 300 exhibitors from all over the world take part in the event. Huge expansion of infrastructure planned by the government. Under the Make in India campaign for defense sector, casting industry will receive multifold opportunities to develop and supply castings to the armed forces. It will be the largest foundry conference and exhibition and will be an ideal opportunity for the Indian and foreign casting manufacturers, buyers and suppliers to participate. Some exclusive technologies in automation, AI, waste reduction and pollution reduction technology will be represented and demonstrated at this event. This is not the end. There will be valuable speeches, music, Bollywood night, cultural programs, work visits and networking opportunities at the event. So mark your presence in the Mahakumbh of the Foundry.
Dear friends, radical technological changes have taken place in advanced countries in practically all areas of foundry operations like design and manufacture of patterns, mold and core making, melting and pouring techniques, application of IT, automation for improved productivity and scaling up of operations, use of robotics for hazardous operations for safety and in-process quality assurance. I welcome you all to come and be part of 71st IFC and IFEX 2023, which will provide a unique opportunity to the foundry fraternity to explore the latest technologies and best practices adopted worldwide and to explore new business alliances, partnerships. Businesses related to the foundry industry are welcome to showcase their products and services and meet the global buyers and extend their businesses internationally. The event will provide opportunities to both Indian and global companies to interact and set up partnerships and complement requirements of each other. Come, show your potential, show the intent, and show the world that we are the best. Welcome again to 71st Indian Foundry Congress. Let's meet at Greater Noida.
Come, show your potential, show the intent, and show the world that we are the best. We all are looking forward to welcome you all to the 71st Indian Foundry Expo, IFEX 2023.
See you at the 71st IFC and IFEX
2023
at Delhi NCR.